Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I am gonna teach you how to make a scratching noise effect using only your laptop. It's really easy, so stay with me until the end. So first of all, you're gonna need something like a pen top or something like that to just smoothly take it along the surface to make the noise. Not something that is sharp, but something that can make the noise. See that? You can see this piece of pen, the top. Then you can drag it along your laptop near the speaker. Just drag it along like this, and then you'll get the sound. Let me show you what it sounds like. Heard it was very clear. It was a very clear scratching sound effect, and you guys don't need to go to the internet and search for sound effects like that. You can make it at your home. So that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be making more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.